Okay.
You didn't see me before
Yeah, I know.
surgery when my walk wasn't natural then. It's
Well,
more natural now.
How do you feel? Any pain in your legs?
No.
Any pain in your back?
No.
So this is 1.5 hours. Well, it's actually now
It
a
is.
few hours, but you're walking literally an hour, 2 hours after the operation.
Yes,
And so this was an L4/5 decompression and stabilisation, and it all went very well. And how do you feel posture-wise?
amazing.
Do you feel
I
straighter?
actually feel natural.
Yeah.
I didn't feel natural before surgery.
Yeah.
I feel natural now.
Any pain in your legs?
No. No.
I know you've still got the numbness
A
from the
little bit of numbness
anaesthetic,
around here,
but how about in the
around-
legs?
No pain.
Nothing. And the
Yeah.
strength feels okay?
I've already been
Yeah.
bending.
Yeah, and you're
So-
smiling, which is
Yeah.
really good.
It's unique.
So let's see you have a little walk.
Okay.
Not to run.
Well, I can,
Yeah.
but I don't want to now.
Yeah. Fantastic. Well, you'll be going home shortly. Fantastic.